Yo, what's up, man? What's going on, guys? What is going on? Good evening, good evening. All right, let's get right into it, guys. What is going on? A little bit of sideways action here on the 15 for Jasmy. Let's go back to the daily and have a look. Still inside the pattern, guys. Still inside this bullish pattern. Looking good. Looking good. All right, let's get into the chat real quick here, see what's going on. And 52K BTC. Rob, what the hell are you talking about? Chill. Stop yelling at me. I'll tell you, all right? I'll tell you. Also, make sure you smash the likes and sub to the channel, guys, to help it grow. Would be greatly appreciated. Funky, what's up, brother? Okay, what's this 52K BTC when I have no dry powder? No matter, it ain't October yet, so if I had the money, I'd be DCing like a mofo. Yep. Nothing wrong with just sitting on your hands, too, brother. Nothing wrong with that, man. Crypto Holmes, what's up, brother? Listen, I got a question for you, Holmes, that you got to answer for me, okay? It is of the utmost importance that I understand this. What is it like to be the fan of an actually good hockey team, right? I have to know. Bought some more Quant, XCN, and Swift today. Nice, brother. Nice. I dig it, man. I dig it. Jasmy, yes, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Let's go, baby. Tara, greetings, Rob and Jasmy family. Knowing we're all going to die when everyone starts using crypto. Let me know we'll die rich. Yeah, we are going to die rich, guys. Apparently, right? Apparently so. All right, what else do we got, guys? Let me just bear with me for a moment here. Bear with me for one moment. Just looking for something. Wait for you guys to get into the chat anyways. Give you guys a few minutes. And while we're waiting for people to come on in, guys, you know, we got to do the greeting.
I can tell exactly what's going to happen as the worst scenario or the must scenario. We're all going to die.
We're all going to die. Crypto adoption. We're all going to die. Oh, man. You can't write it, guys. You can't write that stuff. Craig, bought more Quant today. Nice. I see that as a win, brother. I see it as a win. The Quant supply shock should happen this bull run, just like the BTC supply shock. Yep, I agree. Absolutely, man. Quant is a fantastic pickup. Especially, where is Quant right now? Quant is what, like $80, I think it was this morning when I looked. Where is Quant? $81, man. You cannot go wrong with an $81 Quant. Nacho, hey, Rob and Jasmy family. How's everybody doing? I'm doing good, man. I'm feeling good. Had $700 on the side. Got some more Jasmy and KASPA. Nice. Michael, what's up, bro? Hey, Rob. Finally back in the UK. 2 weeks of Cape Verdon. Nice tan, but legs full of mossy. Nice. Where do you get your KASPA from? I get mine personally on I get it on KuCoin. I get it on Bitrue. I get it on LBank. You can get it on Uphold as well if you're in the States. Multisanti in the house. Nacho Uphold. Yep, Uphold. Absolutely. It is super fantastic. Nice. I'm going to pick up some more Link today and a little, I get the damn hiccups. Little Doge. Nice, man. Link also fantastic pickup, man. I think every portfolio should have a little Link in it. That's what she said. Almost died when I clicked buy on Jasmy today. Woohoo! I thought I was a goner. Picked up some, yeah, I got some of that too, man. I picked some up as well. Element Rage, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Funky, I got KASPA on Uphold. Yep, absolutely, man. I get my paycheck soon, XCN or Swift. Little from column A, a little from column B, my friend. can't really go wrong either way, to be honest with you. Stargazer, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Where do you see Polygon and Quant at this bull run? I mean, Polygon could go as high as $7 to $10, in my opinion, possibly higher. Where's it at right now, actually? Where's Matic at? Where is Matic at now? Matic right now, 59 cents. Yeah, $7 to $10 for Matic, no problem. Maybe even a little bit higher than that. Quant, you said Quant was the other one? Yeah, Quant I could see somewhere between $1,000 and $1,500, somewhere around there. The tokenomics on Quant are just mind-bogglingly fantastic, right? So mind-bogglingly, by the way, is a new word that we just invented on this channel. TM. Happy Father's Day. Go Celtics. Absolutely, man. Altcoin King in the house. What's going on, man? Okay, guys. We are all caught up on the chat. So what the hell am I talking about, you ask, right? 52K Bitcoin. I thought we were done with all of this downward action, guys. Nope. We may not be. Okay. You guys remember for the last 2 months or so, I've been saying the summer of sideways, right? Summer of sideways, guys. Now, I lay out 2 possibilities for you here, okay? One that I showed you this morning. I'll show you again. 1 second here. Uno momento, por favor. All right. So the bullish scenario that I showed you guys this morning, and I've been showing you guys for, I don't know, 2 days or so, is the inverse head and shoulders on the daily for Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin touches 74K, which it actually did, so we actually did do it, right? 64.8, I think it was. Let me just hang on. Let me just check. How low did we actually get? Pretty close, 65.08. Either way, guys, we have a potential inverse head and shoulders here on the daily for Bitcoin. If it plays out, we should see about a 90 to 91K Bitcoin. Okay, that's the potential for the upside. Okay, and that's going to make the altcoins go crazy. Now, guys, all right, listen up. It is entirely possible that we fall another, I think it's about 25 to 26% to around that 52K level, guys. It is possible. Now, am I saying that it's realistic? Or you know, am I saying that it is, the chances are good? Chances are not great, but I always want to make sure, guys, I give you both case scenarios so that you're ready for both situations, right? If this inverse head and shoulders plays out, boom, we've got about a 90, 91K Bitcoin. If it doesn't, if we get the drop down, we could see around a 52K Bitcoin, and we could do that until around the end of August, September, where things start to go nuts. Am I saying that's likely? No, but I'm saying it's possible, right? So don't go all in right now. Make sure you have dry powder on the side in case we do go down. You want to have the opportunity to scoop up some of these altcoins at extreme discounts, right, guys? So if you're ready and you have dry powder on the side, when it happens, you're not going to be in the chat all pissy and salty because it fell, because you'll be happy that you're filling your bags, right? So just so you guys are ready for both possibilities. Both are very real possibilities. Both are on the table. So yeah, be ready for that, guys. Maltasanti, as someone who never had a bull run, and this is their first, how do the days and weeks look during the bull run? Man, it all ends up just kind of becoming a blur, because it's like things. Listen, the way that it'll kind of play out is like, so Bitcoin will run and Ethereum will run, right? And every euphoria will be everywhere. And then altcoins are going to start to run, but it's going to happen most likely in narratives, right? So like, layer ones will start going nuts, right? And then liquidity starts to roll over and pour into DePIN projects or AI projects or Web3 gaming projects, right? And all of the narratives end up almost like having their turns, right? You have the odd outliers that end up pumping late or whatever. Like XRP tends to be one that pumps like late, for example. But that's kind of how it'll play out, right? So you just kind of got to be attentive. And the thing is, you can also become very complacent, because I'll tell you right now, when your portfolio is pumping like crazy for a month or two, it becomes almost like every single day you're kind of sitting there like, this is just what it is now. I guess this is just my life and my portfolio is just going to go up forever, right? No. Make sure that you are part of the member side, so that you are there, so we can help you take your profits, right? Because I know it'll start to feel like it's not going to stop pumping, but it will stop, and it will stop fast, right? Because once everyone realizes you've topped, everyone starts trying to head for the exits at the same time, right? Networks get congested. There's not enough buyers for all the sellers, all that kind of stuff, right? So got to be ready, guys. Got to be ready. The BTC goes down to 52K. I'm buying one. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. That's how you got to think about it, man. That is how you have to think about it. Respect, my friend. Respect. Michael, what's good, brother? What's good? Traded all my Swift and Spell to Jasmy before they dropped. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Close to 200K. Nice. That's a nice bag, brother. I dig it. 35 to 40K. William, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Alper, Jasmy, Tesla, pump. William, I picked up some more Miria at, yeah, man. Yeah. Like, damn, I'm really trying to accumulate as much XCN as I can right now, but damn it, if I can't not jump over to Miria and continue to stock those bags up at that level, because I'll be honest with you, my cost average on Miria is like just a hair under a cent, right? And it's like a fourth of a cent right now, right? How can I justify not buying as much of it as I can right now? So I think I might switch over to Miria temporarily and then go back to XCN later, right? Because I can't not take advantage of these prices on Miria to fill my bags even more. Got to do it, man. Got to do it. John, what's up, buddy? Element Rage, I would say XCN because you can buy more since it's cheaper at least. And that's the thing, guys. Like I said earlier today, I watched some TA last night, late last night on XCN. And the guy made a really, really, realistic argument for a 42 to 43 cent XCN. That's a fantastic opportunity, guys. Fantastic. Jasmy, absolutely, man. Nice buy, William. Sorry, I was looking at doing the same on Miria. Yes, Balakalava, man. What's up, man? Is there news with Jasmy and Tesla? No, there is not. My local strip club accepts Jasmy. Nice. I see that as a win, man. Jasmy and boobies. Can't go wrong. What do you think about Wormhole? Wormhole? Well, let's check out Wormhole. I think I looked at Wormhole before, didn't we? $810 million market cap. Not crazy about the tokenomics much. I like that it's on Solana. What is it? Interoperability, cross-chain. All-time high, $1.66. Listings. It's on Binance, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Gate.io. Yeah, seems like a good project. But I'll be honest with you though. The only thing that I'm a little bit, it's not a red flag, but more of a yellow flag is the tokenomics. They're not awful, but they could be a little bit better, right? So that's my one caveat with that project. Miria and Veracity are dirt cheap right now. It is insane. Yes, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Listen, guys, there is going to be, in about 7 or 8 months, there's going to be a lot of people throwing out the woulda, shoulda, couldas, right? I'm telling you right now, it's the people who are upset that we're at these prices right now, who are impatient, are going to be throwing out the, you know, shoulda, coulda, wouldas. I wish I had more time to buy more, right? They're going to be throwing that around. So appreciate the time that you have, my friends. What do you think about Wormhole? Just looked at it, my friend. I think it has some pretty good potential. Rob, you still pretty bullish on gaming tokens? Oh, 100%. 100%. My bullishness, I just did a Web3 video like 2 days ago talking about a handful of Web3 gaming plays. Check it out, man. Check it out. I think that you will like it. So, yeah, my conviction in Web3 gaming plays, never died down. They're going to pump. How much X on XCN FX? What? How much X on XCN FX? I don't understand the question. If BTC goes to 52K, where do you see ICP at? ICP is going to be somewhere. Dropping. Yeah. Let's have a look at ICP. It's already fallen quite a bit, hasn't it? Yeah, down to $9 from like 17, eh? I mean, I could see ICP falling back down to around $5-6, to be honest with you, which is a fantastic opportunity because I think that ICP could get as high as 100 to $125 in the bull run, right? So picking it up at $5-6 would not be a bad idea either. $3 ICP, yeah, that would be a hell of a pickup, man. Getting this funny feeling this bull run will be somewhat different to all previous, taking on board everything else going on in the world, plus Saudis pulling out of the U.S. Could be, man, could be. I don't care how, this is the thing, guys. I don't care how different it is. I don't care if the timing is warped or different or whatever it is. As long as we make life-changing wealth and we have the time to continue to buy as much as we can right now, guys, I got to be honest with you, man. I feel this urge to continue to fill up as much as I possibly can right now. I can't even describe it, right? I'm just like, I need more. It's never going to be enough, man. Chicken rice steak. What's up, man? Bro, I will pump all my, I will dump all my, all of my hesitant for ICP. Got a bit of a typo, I think, there. Yeah, man, ICP down at those levels, man, that is a good pickup. I am definitely bullish on ICP. So, absolutely. All right, guys, you know what it is. I'm going to jump over to the news. If you want to get my attention, if you have a question, comment, concern, throw it in a super chat, and I will get right to it. I'm going to jump over to the news now. All right, so we looked at the charts. All right, let's get into some of this stuff. Boom. Watcher Guru just in. A spot Ethereum ETF projected to launch by July 2nd, according to Bloomberg ETF analyst. July 2nd, guys. July 2nd. It's coming. Big things popping. Little things stopping. Let's go. Check out Mickle, guys. Breaking news, BlackRock partners with Ripple for custody solutions. Let's see what Mickle has to say.
Guys, I could not be more excited for this. The fact that Archex is going to be supplying custody for their partners using Ripple solutions means that the largest institutions on earth issuing money market funds and other tokenized assets are going to be doing so in Ripple's custody solution and on the XRP ledger. Guys, for me, this is the confirmation I needed to see to know that BlackRock 100% will be working very closely to Ripple. And if that doesn't make you bullish on the possibility of an XRP ETF in the near future, I don't know what will. Guys, I really do believe this is going to be a colossal partnership going forward, and we are just at the very early stages of this. Guys, I could...
Very, very bullish, guys. Definitely, I think that an XRP ETF is definitely inevitable. I like Mickle. He's a little bit hypey, but his heart's in the right place, so I give Mickle a thumbs up. He's a solid guy. I used to always watch his videos. Not so much anymore, just because I'm busy with my own channel, but yeah, I think an XRP ETF is definitely inevitable, guys. Inevitable. It will happen. It's like Thanos up in here. Breaking news, someone just transferred 189 million USDC to Coinbase institutional accounts. Whales are buying the dip. Guys, I've been showing you this over the last couple of days. While retail are scared and upset, guys, I've been showing you purchase after purchase after, this big money moving around. I just showed you guys this morning 2 big purchases of 1,000 BTC each this morning, right? These institutions are scooping up everything while retail is scared, right? Put your pennies where they put their dollars, right? That's what I'm doing. What else do we got? Eric Balchinian. Let's see what he has to say. He says, update, we are moving our over-under date for the launch of our spot Ether ETF to July 2nd. Hearing the staff sent issuer comments on the S1s today, and they're pretty light. Nothing major, asking for them back in a week. Decent chance they work to declare them effective the next week and get it off of their plates before the holiday weekend. Anything possible? So anything is possible. But this is our best guess as of now, guys. We're gonna have an Ethereum ETF next month, guys. This is huge. That's what she said, right? I'm telling you, man. We got some good news from Gemini. Earn update. So today we are pleased to announce that the final earn distributions representing the remaining 3% of the digital assets owned to you as of the suspension date of November 16th, 2022 will be available in your Gemini account within 7 days. With this final distribution, earn users have received 100% of the assets owed to them. So very bullish, guys. Everyone who had who lost money on Gemini in their earn will be 100% reimbursed very, very soon. You'll love to see that. That is a win for the entire crypto industry, guys. Love to see people getting their money back instead of getting pennies on the dollar. Breaking news: $300 million worth USDC minted on Algorand over the past 24 hours. Looks big, guys. See what I'm saying? I keep saying it. I keep a pound on that drum and a pound on that drum. Money's coming in. You're just not seeing it, right? Coinbase, we have disabled trading for Engine finally, so your funds will remain accessible to you, and you will continue to have the ability to withdraw your funds at any time. So Engine officially kaput, she's gone off of Coinbase. That's not so great. Not so great. Wonder if Engine took a hit because of it today, even though it had already been announced before. See if Engine took a hit. No more than everybody else did, to be honest with you. All right. So what do we got here, guys? Breaking. Bitcoin long liquidations are completely wiped out at this point. Markets are insanely bullish, guys. So basically, guys, when there's a bunch of longs, right, what happens is if they get liquidated, it crashes the price down, right? So there are pretty much no longs left right now on Bitcoin. So what's going to happen here is the price will generally become a magnet towards whether there's heavy longs or heavy shorts, wherever the liquidity is, right? Ends up becoming like a magnet for the price. So if all of the longs have been liquidated, is a very good chance that the price is going to start to go after those shorts and start to liquidate them next, right? Partnered with some market manipulation, courtesy of the exchanges, I'm sure, and institutional investors. I would be definitely not surprised to see the price of Bitcoin start to rise now to start going after those shorts. So yeah, very, very bullish, guys. No longs left to be liquidated. I love it. All right, let's see what Dan's got to say. Altcoin season approaching. Listen up.
We go to a Bitcoin dominance chart, and now this is where we start getting some clues. I want to just show you. We're waiting for Bitcoin dominance to top out. And I talk about this all the time. If you've watched my videos, you probably know what I'm going to go over next. But we're sitting here waiting for altcoin season. We realize that altcoins haven't made that nice move just towards all-time highs yet. And when is it going to happen? So historically, if we look at this last cycle, if we take our date from Bitcoin halving to when Bitcoin dominance started falling, that's basically altcoin season, 224 days after the Bitcoin halving. The cycle before that, it took like around 224 days, 231 days or so, or after the Bitcoin halving. Right now, from the Bitcoin halving, we are around 56 days. So this is why I'm saying end of summer, early fall. Let's give it some time, everybody. But that's how long. But what's interesting is if we have a chart to study then. That is to say, if Bitcoin dominance chart is going to top out, when's that going to happen? So I find something interesting happening. I've always had room to this lower high Fibonacci. We've been talking about this for months, right? There's room to see Bitcoin just make a move to that area, that range, before falling lower. I don't know if that will happen. If we open up the RSI on the oscillator here, the slower moving oscillator, check out the momentum of Bitcoin dominance right now. It's kind of been a little bit up, trending up on the charts, but in terms of this, kind of losing momentum. It looks like some bearish divergence. And again, this is a weekly zoomed out. Anything can happen. There could be a pop to the upside, and Bitcoin could kind of make a nice move to the upside. I think something like that is more possible or likely if Bitcoin's going to make a move like that in an environment where crypto's capitulating and Bitcoin is just not falling as much. That's where we might see Bitcoin just doing that, making a move to upside. Is crypto going to capitulate at this moment? It could. But right now, I mean, we might just be kind of sideways, shaky, unknown. And we might just need to see weeks, maybe even a couple months of consolidation in that unknown territory. And that could be very choppy. But that bearish divergence currently happening on this RSI, I think could be telling that altcoin season actually might be really getting close. And August is only a month and a half away. So this is a weekly chart, and this could play out very soon, right? So when we start considering charts like ADA, and we start even looking at an ADA chart, if we look at ADA chart last cycle, right, from all-time high to around this general consolidation area, very similar areas, down 94%. This time we're down 86%, and we still have a little bit of time before potential altcoin season, but we're essentially on all of these charts. We're waiting for the same exact thing, and that is to say, yeah, we've exited the bear, we're consolidating. Where's this next move? When is that happening?
Possibly 6 weeks away, guys. That is how close you may very well be. And people are upset for some reason. That's beyond me. What else do we got? We got... DXY almost finished, guys. Looking at its 5-wave correction to the 5-wave correction to the downside here, guys. Boom, 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 boom. So we should soon see the Dixie start to collapse. We're just waiting for it, guys. We're just waiting for it, right? All these things are lining up to say the same thing. It's just a matter of when, not if. Lark says, don't dread the red days. Reframe your brain. Red is a great color. Those who buy in the red will create huge wealth long term. Exactly what I've been trying to express to you guys forever. All right. What else do we got? So Senator Loomis says, I will not stand by idly by as this administration attempts to skirt the law, and I will continue to fight to promote financial innovation and key protections for crypto assets this admin seems hell-bent on stifling. My statement on the president's decision to veto SAB 121, let's check it out. The SEC should never use staff accounting bulletins to determine policies, especially for industries it does not regulate. Yet, that is the new norm under President Biden's leadership. Congress gave this administration the opportunity to correct its position on crypto assets, but instead of listening to the will of the American people and reining in the SEC, President Biden doubled down on his administration's failed policy at the expense of the American consumers. I will not stand idly by as this administration attempts to skirt the law, and I will continue to fight to promote financial innovation and key protections for crypto assets this administration seems hell-bent on stifling. Guys, I'm going to be blatantly honest with you here. I don't think Biden's going to lose the election, guys. I just don't. As much as I think he should, as much as, guys, it's the fix is in. I'm sorry, right? It's not going to happen, right? We're going to be the same thing with Canada. We're going to be stuck with our fearless leader up here as well, right? They have the game rigged and they're not leaving. They're refusing to leave, right? So that being said, that is why I am going to be leaving Western society, right? I'm leaving, man. Screw it, right? Western society has been completely destroyed and decimated by our leaders, right? That's why I plan on moving to the East, maybe Europe, maybe somewhere that's a little more capital gains tax friendly. You know, things are done out here, guys. They're done. The West is not going to be a superpower in the world much longer, in my opinion, because the leadership that we have to suffer through. And for some reason, stupid people keep voting for, right? So I don't know what to tell you. All right, what else do we got? Max Kaiser speaks on how Bitcoin will be the new global standard and how there is no solution for inflation in 2021. He said this. Listen up.
So you mentioned one way to deal with this is obviously raising interest rates to tackle inflation, an obvious move. But what is the answer to this problem, and what can the U.S. Treasury and the Fed do right now to deal with this looming crisis?
Well, yeah, raising rates is what Paul Volcker did in 1980. When the debt to GDP ratio was a possibility, and it worked after a massive debt raising of interest rates into the 19%, right? But the debt to GDP ratio right now is 10 times at least higher. So that's actually not going to work. There is no solution. That's why people are running into Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin's worth over $1 trillion now. Why it's going to $10 trillion now is that people are running for the hills. They're getting out of Dodge. They're dumping their U.S. Treasury bonds. They're dumping whatever they can, and they're putting it into Bitcoin. And so Bitcoin, we're going to see Bitcoin be the major winner in this sovereign debt collapse globally. That's how you get to $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 per Bitcoin. Everybody knows it now. Paul Tudor Jones, Stan Druckenmiller, Michael Saylor over at MicroStrategy, they're all openly talking about a speculative attack against the central banks. Borrow at that cheap rate, buy Bitcoin, and let them die. That's what's going on.
And Janet Yellen, for one, expects these interest or these inflation levels, rather, to persist until mid-2022. Do you think that's an accurate forecast, or could we see these problems persist into the years after that?
You know, last year, Janet Yellen said the biggest problem was deflation. Then they said, oh, you know what? It's actually inflation. Then they said the inflation was transitory. Now they're saying the inflation is going to be around for a few years. We're at the beginning of a multi-year secular inflation that will last quite a bit of time. We're leaving a 40-year bull market in bonds. It started when Volcker finished his job back in 1980, and Ronald Reagan and Margaret Thatcher came to office, and we've had 40 years of lower interest rates. Well, that's now finished. We're going to have now a multi-year period of rising interest rates. It's going to be worse than the 1970s. We're going to see major defaults across the corporate world. We're going to see sovereign defaults, and we're going to see more countries like El Salvador start to make Bitcoin legal tender to get out, and they're openly mocking the IMF. El Salvador is openly mocking the IMF on Twitter, saying, we're buying Bitcoin, ha. And we're in a completely new era, a new world, a new global standard, as Rand Paul, a senator in America, has called on Bitcoin to be the new global monetary standard. not the dollar, not gold, Bitcoin.
He called it. He called it. Shoot your shot, brother. He wasn't wrong. Deutsche Telekom and T-Mobile to start mining Bitcoin, guys. They're already running a Bitcoin node. I keep telling you, man. I keep telling you. This is what mass adoption looks like, guys. Couple more cycles, it's all going to be, you know, completely cannibalized by TradFi because so much adoption has been happening. El Salvador set up a Bitcoin bank to give investors finance options. Guys, see what I mean? You see what I'm saying to you? And this could not be more true, guys. Innovation is not always liked. Oil companies don't like Tesla. Cinemas don't like Netflix. Bookstores don't like Amazon. Hotels don't like Airbnbs. Taxis don't like Uber. And banks don't like Bitcoin. I wonder why, right? It's not hard to figure out, guys. It's not hard to figure out. Sensei thinks we are here on the Wall Street cheat sheet in a bear trap right now. I tend to disagree. I don't think we're here. I think we're down here in the shakeout area still. We have not climbed this much into the bull run yet. I strongly disagree with that. I think we're more like here. We've climbed up from accumulation, trend emergence, right here. Now we're in a bit of a shakeout. We've definitely not hit first sentiment extreme to get to bear trap, right? So I think we're still down here personally, but that's kind of where I stand on it. What else do we got? JP Morgan says spot Bitcoin ETFs have attracted $16 billion in net inflows. This is just the beginning. Unbelievable, guys. And this is someone should send this to Maxine Waters and Sherman, the Shermanator there, right? A Chinese gang has been arrested and charged with money laundering because they were trying to use the digital yuan CBDC. Imbeciles, right? It's been reported that the gang exploited the privacy features of the digital yuan to carry out the scheme. However, it's believed that the criminals were caught due to the surveillance capabilities of the CBDC, which is one of the aspects that they're trying to pass in the States, just so they can spy on us, right? And what do we have, guys? We have more whale accumulation. Whale movement happening here. 27,741,912 XRP worth $13 million transferred from Binance to anonymous wallet, guys. Accumulation continues to happen by the whales, guys. I hope that you're doing the same. I'm doing the same, man. I'm doing the same thing the whales are doing, 100%. Check this out. Michael Saylor, does your faith in Bitcoin ever get shaken?
Does your faith ever get shaken, especially during these very volatile periods where Bitcoin has had a steep sell-off?
No, in my entire career, I've never seen anything as compelling and unstoppable as Bitcoin. I'm extraordinarily enthusiastic. There are 8 billion people on the planet that need digital property, and Bitcoin is the dominant digital property network. So if you zoom out and you ask the question, how are you going to provide economic prosperity to billions of people at the speed of light over a computer network? There's no better idea than Bitcoin.
He's not wrong. He's not wrong. And guys, listen, for all of you guys out there who are newer to crypto, right? And you get emotional and you get upset and all that stuff, you panic, you have anxiety about these red days and stuff like that. Just know that this is me looking at you while we go through this emotional roller coaster. This is me looking at you. This is me being through this 100 times already. Can't be shook, baby. Can't be shook. Oh, priceless. Priceless. Oh, man. All right, let's check out these bubbles, guys. Check out these crypto bubbles. What do we got? Look at some great discount. Look at Myria, guys. Myria, I gotta buy Myria. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Swift, guys. If your bags are not packed on Swift, you have a great opportunity. JASMY 3 cents 3. All day long, man. All day long. 66K Bitcoin. Look at this. Oh, man. You know, for me, the frustrating part is not having enough money to buy everything. Like, I would love to just back the truck up on PIF, on SEI at 41 cents, on Ondo at $1.20. I want to get a bunch more Taraxa. Jupe. Guys, Jupe is 86 cents. Jupiter, are you kidding me right now? What else do we got? What's AVAX? $30 for AVAX again. Back down to $30, guys. AVAX is going to be huge. They are really tackling the Web3 gaming sphere this time around. Oh, man. Flare at 2 cents. Guys, unbelievable opportunity. Casper at 2 cents. Manta at $1.25. Whew. Man. Look at that. Filecoin at $5, guys. I don't know what you got to be bearish about, man. I don't know. All right. So we closed our daily candle once again. Not bad. Not bad. We're above the moving average here. So, I mean, we're starting to get into a tight little range here, guys. Another couple of days, we're going to have to break to the upside here or the downside, one of the two. All right, let's get back into the chat, guys. Ty, what's up, Rob? Hope all is well. Been busy last couple days and saw the market today. What's going on here? Well, to be honest, Ty, we've had quite a bit of outflows on. We covered it this morning. We've had a lot of outflows over the last couple of days on the Bitcoin ETFs, which has really contributed very big to the to a lot of the sell-offs, right? So. What's much X potential? Oh, I see what you're saying. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I think we could 80X on it, 50 to 80X for sure. Maybe even 100X. Just wondering. I got a few hundred various tokens in my Coinbase wallet. Not a Coinbase exchange. How do I end up selling them? I don't use Coinbase, brother, so I can't really help you on that. What you think about Algorand? Seems pretty low right now, with good potential. I love Algorand. I love Algorand. You guys know I was doing videos about Algorand last summer when it was like 8 cents, and I was telling people Algorand is not dead. It's a great project. I scooped up a whole bunch at 8 cents. I got 5 times more Algorand than I was initially expecting to buy through this market cycle. I'm very bullish on Algorand for sure. Pith's going down to 35. Do you see a 10X from here? Oh, absolutely. Pith's going to do fantastic. Nicholas, what's up, big dog? AC unit went out and a pullback, still making a good day. Happy to be here. Nice. Absolutely, brother. Thomas, you think JASMY will get up to 4 cents this weekend? Probably not, man. Probably not. Good day, Rob and Crypto family. Crypto Q, what's up, man? Sunday with sparkles. I think buying this dip will pay off big time. I like to taste small profits during big pumps. I like to take profits. Yes. Makes dip crashes a positive feeling. Exactly. Rickaroo, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Love knowing that whales are bullish. I bet even Elizabeth Warren is buying the dip. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely she is. Travis, it could be the lightning in here, but I'm not seeing any gains. They're coming, brother. They're coming. I think BTC will go to 50 or lower, the weekly RSI before the bounce. We needed this pullback. Yes, I agree. Less people on the chat on red days. Yeah, I'll tell you, man. That's why, honestly, the last 2 days, I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but for the last 2 days, I never streamed in the evening because nobody shows up, right? Right. So people ask me like, hey man, how come you didn't stream this evening? Wow, nobody's here, right? So like, I think the other day I did one and there was only like 10 people or something like that, or not 10, sorry, like 100 people. I was like, wow, I mean, you know, guys got to show up, man. Guys got to show up. You know what I'm saying? Trump says his lead has to be too big to rig. Yeah, well, I agree. But I mean, that's what happened last time, right? We wake up in the morning and all of a sudden he was winning by a landslide. We wake up in the morning and all of a sudden he was losing by a landslide. Come on, right? Now, again, for me, guys, I'm Canadian, so I don't have a horse in the race, but Puppet Handle making God of candles. Yes, absolutely. Crypto Paradox, I'll DCA till the end of the market cycle, either wealthy or flipping burgers. It is what it is. Yep, exactly. John, buy when there's blood in the streets. It's all a part of the process. Agreed, 100%. When do you think Jasmy will get its $36 billion lockup by? I think probably I'm targeting 2028, 2029's bull run. Lily, how are you? It's a roller coaster, but I've learned a lot from you, Rob. I DCA and not panic on the red days. Thank you. Hey, absolutely. That's what I'm here for. Ty, thank you so much, my friend, for supporting the channel and becoming a member. Guys, definitely the support helps the channel, especially when things are down. Definitely support the channel. Click the join button or the link in the chat to become a member. We do members-only live streams on Sundays, guys. We look at microcap gems or join the Patreon. One of the two, guys. Links down below. KK, what's up, man? Crypto's painfully easy. Buy low, sell high. Other than that, you're pissing in the wind. Yeah. See, KK, I agree, man. That's what I like to say to people, right? Is that crypto is so easy that it's difficult. That's the problem with it, right? People overthink it like crazy, right? They second guess everything that they do and they end up getting wrecked instead of just buying low, holding and waiting and selling high. That is really, listen, don't get me wrong. You have to do research and you have to know what you're investing in. But outside of that, right, buying low and selling high is really all it takes, right? Besides the research. So, Soul Boy, what's going on, man? Big Watch Dude, what's going on, man? What's good, Rob and Jasmy family? You started early? I did. I started a little bit early, brother. I got to work tonight. I work on Fridays and Saturdays until about till 5 in the morning or something like that. So I run a nightclub on weekends. So time is money. Another great opportunity to get sale prices. Every day can't be a green day. Absolutely, man. Good. Swap those tokens for something basic like ETH in wallet, then transfer to Coinbase sell. There you go, man. Fast Too Curious, what's up, man? Algorand and ADA were late bloomers last bull run. Algorand followed ADA, and both of them mooned hard, from what I remember. Yes, I agree. And I think that Algorand's going to have, I see $4 to $5 for Algorand realistically. Very bullish on Algo. It's a great layer one. I'm bullish on layer ones in general, though, right? For the most part, I like most layer ones. Saw a Jasmy video today by Run My Crypto, thinking Jasmy will reach $100 billion market cap. I mean, eventually, maybe not this bull run. Patrick, what's up, broski? The people who are in tune, whether it's been green, red days, are the real ones. Yes, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Time's money. Have a feeling we will see a nice pump this weekend. Hey, that would be awesome, man. That would be awesome. Relieve a little bit of that anxiety from the inexperienced, right? Is this $36 billion lockup on the roadmap? Good question. I'm going to have to go back and look at the roadmap again. I haven't looked at it in a while. I've seen it a lot over on a lot of the stuff that Hara has shared and stuff like that, and a lot of the Jasmy ambassadors. But let me go. I'm gonna have to go back and do a Jasmy white paper video. I just did an XCN series for the white paper. Maybe I'll do one for Jasmy as well if I can find an English version of it. Facts, what's up, brother? Coins that will disappoint people the most in the bull run: XRP, H-bar, Algorand, Casper. Keep this for 6 to 8 months for now. I don't know, man. I think if it depends on what you mean by you know, it depends what they're expecting out of it, I guess, would be the thing, right? If you're only expecting like a $7 to $13 XRP, like $1 to $1.50 H-bar, $4 to $5 Algorand, and maybe like 80 cents to $1 for Casper, then I think you're right on track and you're not going to be disappointed, right? But if you're expecting triple digits for XRP, if you're expecting a $10 H-bar, if you're expecting a $25 Algorand and a $5 Casper, then definitely you're going to be disappointed, right? Problem is a lot of people have unrealistic expectations because of moon boys who make videos that are unrealistic, right? Boomer, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Tiger, daily chart looking like falling wedge. Yes, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Break to the upside. Let's go, baby. Next couple of days, possibly. It keeps dipping, and I'm going to have to start eating stray cats again. Nice. Do stray cats taste like chicken? See a bounce going on with Bits Cab. You check the future. Thanks, brother. Sorry, let me read that again. See a bounce going on with Bits Cab. What's Bits Cab? You check it, future. Thanks, brother. Bits Cab? Never heard of Bits Cab. Is that a typo? Let me know if that's a typo because I'm not finding on anything under Bits Cab. Did you mean to say Bitcoin? Element Rage didn't think of that. Cheers. Reply. Did I miss one of your comments, Michael? I can't see anything, brother. I can't see a comment that I missed. Bunch of shenanigans. Absolutely, man. Bitcoin, yes, okay. On what did you say on the daily? Bounce going on with Bitcoin. Okay. Are we talking about the daily time frame? Well, the new daily candles kind of started green here, kind of, right? But yes, we did wick up, but we're below all three moving averages right now. But the RSI is only the RSI is nice and low on the daily, guys. 43 is not bad, just a little below neutral, right? So, you know, we could be due. And here's the thing, guys. Like I showed you, we touched 64K, right? So if this inverse head and shoulders plays out, guys, 90 to 91K BTC could be in the cards, right? Hey, Rob, got into another project. Bambit Coup? Let me check that out, man. Let me check that out. Is it on, what's it on? Is it on Solana? Oh, yeah, it's on Solana. Is this it here? Just what you're talking about? Hang on a second. I can't find any data on CoinMarketCap yet. Is this the project you're talking about? What are we looking at here? Oh, it's a 15. What's a daily look like? Oof. When did you get in? Because you're up 88% on the day. Nice, man. Very nice. What's the $1.8 million market cap? Oh, nice and low, man. Nice and low. what is the where's the tokenomics on it? Not seeing any tokenomics. 3 days old. Looks pretty good, man. Good call, man. Good call. It's only up 84% on the day, so this one looks like it could absolutely run. What is this though? Is this they don't have a Twitter? Of course, it's only 3 days old, right? No websites or nothing. Is this a meme coin? I assume. I dig it, man. I dig it. Pretty good find, man. Pretty good find. 3 days old. This one could have itself a fantastic run, brother. Thank you so much for showing it to us. I'm gonna have to have a deeper look into it. Looks like you can get it on Radium right now, eh? Is that where you got it, on Radium? Bitcoin to 10K so I can buy. Yeah, no kidding, eh? Wouldn't that be something? A couple days ago, looks like a good one. Absolutely, man. It's got some potential. When you zoom out, it looks great. Crypto Homes, what's up? Element Rage answered my inquiry. Oh, okay. Yo, Rob, what's good? What's good, man? Tizzo, what's going on, my friend? Isaac, Rob, do you have any videos on Algorand? Yeah, I did a lot of videos last summer on Algorand, just talking about when they lost their TVL provider and stuff like that. You know what? I should start doing more Algorand coverage. I stopped doing Algorand coverage because people weren't watching the videos, but we only had like 1,000 subscribers at the time too. So maybe I'll start doing some more Algorand coverage because I'm ultra bullish on it. So I can do that for you, brother. The Boys Club. You involved in Algorand governance. Looked at the Boys Club on the base chain. Nice. Nice. Guys, if you're new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, man. We'd love to have you stick around, right? And yeah, so all right, guys. Anyway, so Isaac just put a few hundred in Algorand today. Oh, that's right. Yes, I remember our conversation earlier today, my friend. Yes, I hold a big fat bag of Algorand, brother. Trust me, I hold a big bag of it. Very bullish on Algorand. It's got great potential. It's a good layer one, good utility. Let's go to Algorand and have a look. They just launched, they just had a new Oracle that launched on Algorand as well. Gora. You guys know I've been talking a lot about Gora lately, right? So yeah, absolutely, man. What do we got? Yeah, $1.2 billion market cap. Tokenomics are great. A lot of potential, man. A lot of potential here. What you holding for Algo, Rob? I got a bit to Algo, super fast and cheap. Yeah, I hold a lot of Algo. If you want to know exactly how much, man, you got to join the Patreon for that. My whole portfolio is over on the Patreon, brother. Bambit on Solana, 80 million, 100% supply and circulation. Looks good. Yes. Yeah, I had to look at it there, man. Is this it right here that I have on the screen? This has got to be it, right? It's on Radium. It's on Solana. 80 million. This shows a $1.84 million market cap. Nice. Yeah, this looks good, man. This looks pretty good. I dig it. I dig it, man. I would like to follow them over on X to see what they're doing, but they don't have an X linked up here yet. So, but yeah, looks pretty good, man. Looks pretty good. All right, guys. So, what else do we got? Gora massive dump. Looking at it on Vestige, I will grab some now. Let me go over to Gora and have a look. Is it dumping right now? Uh, 8.75%. Yeah, I wouldn't say massive dump. 35%. There you go. 35% on the week. 50 on the month isn't terrible considering. If you look across the entire market for the month, everything's down almost 50%, 30, 40. Yeah. So yeah, that's reasonable. But yeah, $3 million market cap, man. I am bullish on Agora for sure. Like I said, guys, it's an Oracle play on Algorand. Definitely worth checking out for sure. Since May down to 28 cents from almost $1. Yeah, great opportunity, man. Great opportunity, especially with a $3 million market cap. Sky is truly the limit on a project with that kind of potential, right? So, I mean, if you were to ask for a solid Oracle play who's active on their socials and making moves, because I've been following up, I've been doing shorts and stuff like that, showing you guys the moves that Gora's been doing. So they are active, they are doing things for partnerships. If you were to ask for an Oracle, a solid Oracle on a layer one like Algorand, which is fantastic layer one, right? With a $3 million market cap, that's a gift. That's a gift, guys. So that's my thoughts on it anyway. But that is the news today, guys. And yeah, I'm all caught up on the chats. So I'm going to go eat some supper. Then I got to get ready for work. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Guys, listen, tomorrow is my birthday. So I will probably be here for the morning live stream. Well, sometime around, same time as usual, 11:30, 12 o'clock Central. I will be here for that live stream. But I'm not entirely sure I will be doing an evening live stream tomorrow. Got dinner with the family and stuff, It's the birthday thing, right? So gotta do that. I'm gonna pig out on cake. You know what it is, So yeah. But I will be here for the morning live stream to hang out with you guys for a little bit on my birthday. So all right, guys. I will see you tomorrow around noon. And have yourselves a fantastic Friday night, guys. Be safe, have fun, and yes. Take care, big dog. Thank you so much, man. Happy Father's Day. Yeah, absolutely. Happy Father's Day, guys. Coming up to all you fathers out there. Happy birthday, Rob. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate that. Holmes. Gary, happy birthday. In case I don't make it tomorrow morning. Absolutely, guys. Thank you so much, as always. You guys are so supportive and fantastic. So that's absolutely awesome, man. I appreciate you guys. I will see you tomorrow morning. Have yourselves a fantastic evening.